This is Sudhakar. In previous, I was told in first video states, next second video continents. Now this is third video union territories. In India, already I was told in first video 28 states and 8 union territories. The regarding 28 states total details already I was given in first video. Now the third video union territories. Now I am writing on the blackboard union territories. According to alphabetical order, the union territories. The first alphabetical letter is A. With A, Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman Nicobar Island capital Port Blair, Governor Devendra Kumar Josh, and this is union territory. In some union territories, chief ministers are there. In some union territories, only lieutenant governors are ruling. So, in Andaman Nicobar Islands, there is no chief minister. Now, the mother tongue of Andaman Nicobar Islands, Bengali, and dance of Andaman Nicobar Islands, Nicobari. Population of Andaman Nicobar Islands, 3.99 lakhs, that is nearly 4 lakhs. And the major crops of Andaman Nicobar Islands, paddy, coconut, pulses, oil seeds, etc. Now, the major river of Andaman Nicobar Island, Kalpam. Now, next alphabetical order, C. With C, Chandigarh. Chandigarh capital, only Chandigarh city, and the governor, VP Singh Bandror is an administrator. So, next to mother tongue of Chandigarh, English. Next to dance of the Chandigarh, Bhangra. Population of Chandigarh, 11.58 lakhs. And major crops of Chandigarh, maize, paddy, wheat, and vegetables. And major rivers in Chandigarh, River Ghaggar. This Ghaggar river is originate in Shivalik Hills. Next alphabetical order, Delhi. Delhi is national capital of territory. The capital of Delhi city, and the governor of Delhi, Anil Baijal, and chief minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, and the mother tongue of Delhi, Hindi, and local dance of Delhi, Kathak, and population of Delhi, so 3 crores. The major crops of Delhi, wheat, jowar, paddy, bajra, and the major river of Delhi, Yamuna. Next alphabetical order, again D. Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. That is union territory of capital Daman. Here the governor, lieutenant governor Praful Khado Patil. Here no chief minister, and the mother tongue of Dadra Nagar Haveli, Marathi and Gujarati, and local dance of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Tarpa, Bhavada, Thali, Paul, and population of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, 6.20 lakhs, and the major crops, the staple food of paddy, millets, nagi, ragi, jowar, black ground, and the major river of Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Daman Ganga. And according to alphabetical order, next letter J. J with Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, the 2 capitals are there. That is in winter Jammu, in summer Srinagar. So especially in Jammu and Kashmir, the 2 capitals are there. in winter and summer. Here in this Union Territory, the Governor Manoj Sinha, there is no Chief Minister, and mother tongue of Kashmir, Kashmiri, Dongri, Hindi, Urdu and English. And the local dance of Jammu and Kashmir, Rauf, Bas, Nagam, this is the folk dance. And the population of Jammu Kashmir 1.52 crores, and major crops of Jammu Kashmir: rice, corn, millets, pulses, wheat, cotton, saffron and tobacco. And the major rivers of Jammu and Kashmir: Indus, Jhelum, Tavi, Chenab, Ravi and Kishanganga. So these are the Jammu Kashmir and Andaman Nicobar to up to Jammu and alphabetical order N. That is Ladakh. The Ladakh is recently the central government added in Union Territories. The Ladakh capital, two capitals, that is Leh and Kargil. And the governor of Ladakh, Lieutenant Radhakrishnan Mathur. So there is no chief minister because of the Union Territory. And the mother tongue of Ladakh, Ladakhi, and the dance of Ladakh, Chandor and Ladakhi. And the population of Ladakh 2.90 lakh, that is nearly 3 lakhs. And the major crops wheat and barley. The major rivers of Ladakh and Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, Shoy, Indus, Zanskar. And next alphabetical order, next year, Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep is located in the Arabian Sea. The capital of Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, and the governor of Lakshadweep, Praful Kod Patil, is also Dadra Nagar Highway and Daman and Diu also is acting as a governor. And there is no chief minister. The mother tongue of Lakshadweep, Malayalam, English, Jessari. And the dance of Lakshadweep, Kalkali, and the Kalkali dance with sticks. And the population of Lakshadweep 66,000. And the major crops of Lakshadweep: jawar, ragi, sweet potato, sorghum and banana. And there is no major rivers in Lakshadweep. Actually, the total Lakshadweep 32 square kilometer area. Now last, Pondicherry. Pondicherry capital Pondicherry, and Pondicherry governor Tamilisai Soundarya. She is working Hyderabad, Telangana governor also, and the chief minister of Pondicherry N. Rangaswamy, and mother tongue of Pondicherry English, Tamil, Karaikal, French, especially in the Yanam area, the people are speaking Telugu. And the dance of Pondicherry, Garali, the population of Pondicherry 8.540 lakh, and the major crops of Pondicherry: rice, ragi, bajra, pulses, sugarcane, cotton, groundnut. And the major rivers: Pondicherry, Mahi, Jingi, and Perneria. So these are the total Union Territories. So children, you know all this total information about the Union Territories. Now, before going to give the list of the presidents, I will give details of the Indian President. Indian President is the first citizen of India. He is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Force. He is represent the nation, but he not rule the nation. The Prime Minister also rule the country under the name of the president. The president is known as Bharat ki Rashtrapati. Officially, the president in Republic of India. So now I will give list of the presidents. Now children, the list of the Indian presidents. The first president of India, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. His term January 26, 1952, 1962. Next, the second president of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. His term May 13, 1962 to May 13, 1967. Next, Zakir Hussain. He is also president. May 13, 1967 to 3rd May 1969. Next to Varahagiri Venkatagiri. His term May 3rd, 1969 to August 24th, 1974. Next, the fifth, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad and B.D. Chetty. Both are working the same period, that is August 24th, 1974 and February 11th, 1977. And B.D. Chetty, his term February 11, 1977, July 25th, 1977. Next, the sixth President of India, Nenam Sanjeev Reddy. He belongs to Andhra. His term July 25th, 1977 to July 25th, 1982. Now, the seventh President of India, Gyanendra Singh. He belongs to Punjabi. His term July 25th, 1982 to July 25th, 1987. Now, eighth President of India, R. Venkatraman. He belongs to Tamil Nadu. His term July 25th, 1987 to July 25th, 1992. And Shankar Dayal Sharma is the 9th President of India. His term July 25th, 1992 to July 25th, 1997. The 10th President of India, K.R. Narayanan. His term July 25th, 1997 to up to 2002. Next, the 11th President of India, the great APJ Abdul Kalam. He was great scientist, and his term July 25th, 2002 to up to 2007. Now, the 12th President of India, Pratibha Patil. She was first woman of Indian president. Her term 2007, July 25th to up to 2012. Now, the 13th President of India, Pranab Mukherjee. He belongs to West Bengal. His term July 25th, 2012 to up to 2017. Now, present President of India, Ramnath Kovind. His term from 2017 to till now. So, children, totally this is a list of the Indian presidents. Now, next vice presidents, I will give the list on the board. The list of the Indian vice presidents. The first vice president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. His tenure May 13th to 1952 to May 12th, 1962. Next, the second vice president, Zakir Hussain. May 13, 1962 to May 12th, 1967. And the third vice president, Varaha Venkata Giri, V.B. Giri. His term from 1967 to 1969, and fourth President of India, Gopala Swarup Pathak, his term August 31st, 1969 to August 30, 1974. Now, fifth Vice President, B.D. Jetty, his term from 1974 to 1979, and sixth Vice President, Muhammad Hidayatullah, his term August 31st, 1979 to August 30th, 1984. Now, the seventh Vice President of India, R. Venkataraman, his term from August 31st to 1984 to July 24th, 1987. Now, the eighth Vice President of India, Shankar Dayal Sharma, his term from September 7, 1987 to July 24th, 1992. Now, the ninth Vice President of India, K.R. Narayanan, his term from August 21st, 1992 to July 24th, 1997. Now, the 10th Vice President of India, the Krishnakant, his term from August 21st, 1977 to July 24th, 2002. The 11th Vice President of India, Bairen Singh Shekhawat, his term from August 19, 2002 to July 25th, 2007, and the 12th Vice President of India, Muhammad Hamid Ansari, his term from August 11, 2007 to August 10, 2017. Next, now the present Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, his term from August 11, 2017 to still now. So, students, this is total list of Vice President, and President and Vice Presidents both are tenure 5 years. Now, children, the list of the Indian Prime Ministers. The first Prime Minister after independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, his term from August 5th, 1947 and April 15, 1952. Next, again after general elections, again he was elected from 1952 to May 27th, 1964. He was ruling more than 16 years. Next, the acting Prime Minister Gurjari Nanda. He was term May 27th, 1964 to June 9th, 1964. Next, the second Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri. His term from June 9th, 1964 to January 11, 1966. Now, the third Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. She was the first lady in India as Prime Minister. Her term January 24th, 1966 to March 24, 1977. And the fourth Prime Minister, Morarji Desai. He was the first non-Congress Prime Minister. His term from March 24th, 1977 to July 28th, 1979. Now, the fifth Prime Minister, Charan Singh. His term July 28, 1979 to January 14, 1980. Next, again, Indira Gandhi, as Prime Minister, January 14, 1980 to October 31st, 1984. Now the sixth Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi, his term from October 31st to 1984 to December 2nd, 1989. Now seventh Prime Minister, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, his term from December 2nd, 1989 to November 10th, 1990. And eighth Prime Minister, Chandrasekhar, his term from November 10, 1990 to June 21st, 1991. Now, the ninth Prime Minister of India, P.V. Narasimha Rao, he belongs to Andhra Pradesh. His term from June 21st, 1991 to May 16, 1996. Next, the 10th Prime Minister, A.B. Vajpayee, May 16, 1996 to June 1st, 1996. Next, the 11th Prime Minister of India, H.D. Devegowda, he belongs to Karnataka. His tenure June 1st, 1996 to April 21st, 1997. Next, 12th Prime Minister, Indra Kumar Gujral. He is from April 21st, 1997 to March 19, 1998. Now again, Atal Bihari Vajpayee working as the Prime Minister from March 19, 1998 to May 22nd, 2004. Now the 13th Prime Minister of India, Manmohan Singh, May 22nd, 2004 to May 26th, 2014. And the present Prime Minister of India, Narendra Damodar Das Modi, his tenure from May 26th, 2014 to still now. Actually, the Indian Prime Minister tenure 5 years and the Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman both are one. The Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Andhra Pradesh High Court Chief Justice Murali Krishnan, High Court Chief Justice retirement age 62 years, and Supreme Court Chief Justice N.V. Ramana, he belongs to Andhra Pradesh. The Supreme Court Chief Justice retirement age 65 years. Children, I will show the list of Andhra Pradesh governors and chief minister in document. Now students, Andhra Pradesh governors. The first governor of Andhra Pradesh, C.M. Trivedi. His term October 1st, 1953 to August 1st, 1957. Next, Bhimsen Sakar. His term August 1st, 1957 to September 8, 1962. Next, S.M. Sri Nagesh. His term September 5th, 1962 to May 4th, 1964. Next, P.T. Pillai. He belongs to Tamil Nadu. His term May 4th, 1964 to April 11, 1968. Next, K.K. Desai. His term April 11, 1968 to January 25th, 1975. Next, S. Obul Reddy. His term January 25th, 1975 to January 10th, 1976. Next, Mohanlal Sukhadia. His term was January 10, 1976 to June 10, 1976. Next, R.D. Bandari. His term was June 10th, 1976 to February 17, 1977. Next, B.J. Diwan. His term was February 17, 1977 to May 5th, 1977. His very few days he was working, only 78 days he was working. And S. Mukherjee, his term was May 5th, 1977 to August 15, 1978. Next, K.C. Abraham, his term was August 15, 1978 to August 15, 1983. Next, T. Ramlal, his term was August 15, 1983 to August 29, 1984. Next, S.D. Sharma, Shankara Dayal Sharma, his term was August 29, 1984 to November 26, 1985. Next, Kumudben Joshi, she was the first lady in Andhra Pradesh as a governor. Her term November 26, 1985 to February 7, 1990. Next, Krishnakant, his term was February 7, 1990 to August 22, 1997. Next, G. Ramanujan, Gopala Ramanujan, his term was August 22nd, 1997 to November 24th, 1997. Next, C. Rangarajan, he was working as a RBI governor also. His term was November 24th, 1997 to January 3rd, 2003. Next, Surjit Singh Barnala, he belongs to Punjab, January 3rd, 2003 to November 4th, 2004. Next, Sushil Kumar Shinde, he belongs to Maharashtra. His term November 4th, 2004 to January 29, 2006. Next, Rameshwar Thakur, his term was January 29, 2006 to August 22nd, 2007. Next, N.D. Tiwari, Narayan Datta Tiwari, his term was August 22nd, 2007 to December 27, 2009. Next, E.L.S.N. Narasimhan, his term was December 28, 2009 to July 23, 2019. Next, present Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Vishwabhushan Harichandan, his term was July 24, 2019 still now. List of Andhra State and Andhra Pradesh Chief Ministers. Students, list of Andhra State Chief Ministers and Andhra Pradesh Chief Ministers. The Chief Minister term 5 years. The first Andhra State Chief Minister, Tanguturi Prakasham, his term was October 1st, 1953 to November 15, 1954. Next, President rule has happened. Next, second Andhra State Chief Minister, B. Gopala Reddy, Bijawada Gopala Reddy, March 28th to 1955 to November 1st, 1956. Next, Andhra Pradesh Chief Ministers. After formation of Andhra Pradesh, the first Chief Minister was Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. His term November 1st, 1956 to January 11, 1960. Next, second Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Damodaran Sanjeevaya, January 11th, 1960 to March 12, 1962. Next, again Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, March 12th, 1962 to February 20th, 1964. Next, Kasu Brahmananda Reddy, the third Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. His term was February 4th, 1964 to September 30, 1971. Next, P.V. Narasimha Rao. His term was September 30th, 1971 to January 10th, 1973. Next, again, the President rule was happened. Next, fifth Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Jalangu Vengal Rao. His term was December 10th, 1973 to March 6th, 1978. Next, Marri Channa Reddy. His term was March 6th, 1978 to October 11th, 1980. Next, T. Anjaya. His term was October 11, 1980 to February 24th, 1982. Next, 8th Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Bhavana Venkatarama Reddy. His term was February 24th, 1982 to September 20th, 1982. Next, Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy. His term was September 20th, 1982 to January 9, 1983. Next, Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao. His term was January 9th, 1983 to August 16, 1984. Next, Nadetla Bhaskar Rao. His term was August 16, 1984 to September 16, 1984. he was working only 31 days as a Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Next again NTR came to the power from September 16, 1984 to March 9, 1985. Next again Channa Reddy came to the power December 3rd, 1989 to December 17, 1990. Next 12th Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh N. Janardhan Reddy. His term was December 17, 1990 to October 9th, 1972. Next again Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy came to the power October 9th, 1992 to December 12th, 1994. Next again N.T. Ramarao came to the power December 12th, 1994 to September 1st, 1995. Next between N.T. Ramarao and 13th Chief Minister Chandrababu, in between the political crisis has happened. Now the 13th Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Nara Chandrababu Naidu, October 11, 1999 to May 13th, 2004. Next Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, his term was May 4th, 2004 to May 20th, 2009. Next Kunujeti Rosaya, his term was September 3rd, 2009 to November 24th, 2010. Next N. Kiran Kumar Reddy, November 25th, 2010 to March 1st, 2014. Next again, nearly 2 months, the president rule was happened. Now again Chandrababu Naidu came to the power June 9th, 2014 to May 29th, 2009. Now the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he was the 17th Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Jagannath Reddy, from May 30th, 2019 to still now. Thank you for listening.